What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45. Well, let me start over. Welcome to never mind. This is I don't know what show I'm on right now, guys, but thank you for tuning in. I'm just kidding. Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. or 6 p.m. if I host ATB. Guys, let me see where the ATB crew is and let me know how DZ treated you today. I heard he looks a little different today, but shout out to the ATB crew. Thank you for everybody that was in there. Obviously, I was hosting. Little different look on the set, a little bit of a different lighting setup, but the tech is working well. That's all we care about. It's looking good, it's sounding good, and we're back in business here in the BitBoy Crypto Studios, guys. It's been a Frankie Candles takeover, guys. We did the morning show. We did ATB. I will be doing the 9 p.m. video. So if this goes a little short, I apologize. I have to make that 9 p.m. video and do the market watch and do all that stuff. So this is like the fourth show of the day, or fourth video, I guess. But thank you guys for tuning in. Today we got a great show for you. We're taking a look at Bitcoin. We're taking a look at the altcoins. I'm going to let you guys know what the heck I think about Bitcoin. I know we got a little bit of a bump. Now we're getting a little bit of a correction. How much do I think we could come up? What levels am I watching? Am I in any trades? If I'm not, where am I looking to get into trades? We're going to be covering it all in today's show. So smash up that like button, guys. Every 100 likes, you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win a giveaway, guys. Last week we gave away 55 NFTs, 200 Cardano, 200 XRP. So let's get those likes up. We're going for, I don't know how many viewers are going to get in here. We got 329 people watching right now, but let's go for 500 likes. That seems feasible. Let's do it, CandleMafia. I know we can. And remember, for every 100 likes, we get a spin on the wheel, 2 chances for a giveaway on each spin. Let's give away some NFTs. Let's give away some hats, whatever it might be. Let's go ahead and give this stuff away. Before we jump into it, guys, let's go ahead and say what is up to chat. Already going nuts here. Rob the Crypto Snob, as always, happy to see you here, man. He says, LFG, let's go. Tony D, one of our wonderful mods, says, when charts. Charts now, Tony. Charts now. Charts, Pop-Tarts? I don't know. Charts now. MetaMax, what is going on, says LFG as well. Your owner says, sup, Frank. What's up, man? Thank you for being here. Crypt2Grave, what is going on? Which one of you guys were Pumpkin Frank on Bitcoin, on BitBoy this morning? Yeah, listen. Coming on for the CandleMafia is much different than going on Ben's channel. Ben obviously has like 1.5 million subscribers. The more subscribers, the more chances you are to get those haters. I actually was pretty I was pleasantly surprised by the amount of love we were getting in the morning stream. Typically on YouTube, guys, people don't like change. I've learned that in my YouTube career, not only with this channel, but with other channels I've worked on. It's funny. They hate you, and then eventually you grow on them. They absolutely love you, and then if they take you away and put someone else, they're going to hate that guy, right? So, and I'm not a permanent replacement, guys. Ben is just in New York. He'll be back, trust me. But yeah, guys, thank you for anyone in there. Crypto Billy was out there. I'm sure you're in here, man. Shout out to Crypto Billy showing love in that morning stream. I appreciate you. Tony D showing love. Jimmy Two Shoes, you're in there showing love. Unforgettable Name, you're in there showing love. It means a lot, guys. I remember all these super chats. It means a lot when you guys show that support. I really do appreciate it. But positive vibes in the morning stream for the most part. So that was pretty cool. I'm actually having a lot of fun doing that. It's a little out of my, not what I typically do, obviously, but definitely having a good time. Me and Nikki Demandi, Paisan Takeover. We're going to have Jimmy Two Shoes call in. We'll have a whole Italian takeover. Let's go. But Blanchard's Bees, thank you for being here, man. Appreciate you always here. Andrew Hallbreaker, what is up? Or Hallbaker, when sauce? Sauce right now. I hope you got your macaroni ready. Crypto Fiend, what is going on? Justin, what's up? Eric Tyler Durden, one of our wonderful mods. Captain Candles Mafia Mama. Let's go. Changing the name once again. Hey, Captain, I like this name changing stuff. I love it. It always keeps it good. Saying what's up to Crypto Pollo. Crypto Pollo was saying peck that like button. Give it a little peck, guys. Shout out to Crypto Pollo. Eric, what is going on? Russell, Uncle Candles, what is up? Why does the title imply a long? I don't know. We'll have to dig deeper in the stream. Real quick, let me just knock some more people out here. Chemistry Bro, Frankie, I got something rendering for you now. Ooh, Chemistry Bro, 3D artist. I'm pumped, man. I'm pumped. Let's see. Carbon, what is going on? Crypto Poyo, what's up? Stevie, Straw, Starlink, Nate, Dog, what is going on? Frankie, let's go. CandleMafia, let's go. Nate, I appreciate you, man. Tommy, Crypto Crabman, Jimmy, Mr. A, or Alice, we call him on this channel. Darth, what's up? Crypto Sasquatch, as always, you did a great job on the morning stream, on the BitBoy stream. I appreciate you, Crypto Sasquatch. I love you, brother. Sky Monkey, what is, or Sly Monkey, what's up? Tom Crypto, Sniper, I Don't Computer, Angel, Carlo, Daryl, Lost Prophet, what's going on, man? Good to see you. How much short is too much short? Who knows? Frankie Candles, big shout out to Chemistry Bro, working on a little something for the Discord. Ooh, I like that. Chemistry Bro, it seems like Tony's got more details than I do, but I'm pumped, man. I'm pumped to see what you got there. And then Jocko, what is going on? Bing Bong. What's up? Chris Higgins, as always, happy to have you in here, man. Good to see you again. And Spaceman, what is up? We'll be here all day. They just keep flying in. But without further ado, guys, energy's up. Hawaiian volcanic water, again, sponsoring this episode. I appreciate every single one of you for tuning in. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the chats. Okay, guys. Here we are on the Bitcoin 18-minute. Guys, we got a big green dot on the 18-minute. It's going to 100K. I'm just kidding. Please, somebody, don't clip that. I'm joking. You got to be careful what you say on stream because sometimes a clip will get out there, or someone just tunes in for a second and they hear you say something, they take it for granted. They take it seriously. I'm just kidding. We're not going to 100K, guys. I'm just joking. Anyway, here we go. Starting off on the Bitcoin daily chart, guys. I shared my chart in the Discord again. I don't know. I heard it worked, but I don't know if it's going to continue working. I will keep trying to share these charts, even if I have to put them in every 15 minutes for you guys to see. We're gonna keep them in there. But starting off on the daily chart, guys, obviously we have the bullish divergence. I'm not going to cover it too much. Obviously, we talked about it. Higher low on your momentum waves, way lower low on your price. It's a textbook bullish divergence. The question is, how much is it going to play out? Are we going to get a big bounce from this bully dailish I can't talk, guys. Daily bullish divergence. Are we going to get a big move from this, or is it going to be another lackluster bull signal in the middle of the bear market? Who knows? We're going to have to keep an eye on it. However, definitely a bullish sign. That is bull case number one. Coming down the time frames here, 16-hour money flow, kind of neutral here. 10-hour money flow coming up. VWAP coming down, though, indicative of sideways action. Money flow coming up on the 8-hour. You did have your bullish divergence here as well, right? I just love to just beat this. I just love to hammer this home, guys, just so the more I point it out, the more likely you guys are to just be able to see this stuff when it pops up. But bullish divergence, right? Higher low on your momentum waves, lower low on price, right? And you want to make sure that this green dot, you want to make sure you're accurately on that green dot and coming up to that actual green candle. But when you're just looking for them before you really check them, you can just see, right? You're making lower lows here, you're making higher highs here, and then you could go in and make sure that it's a true bullish divergence, but very easy to spot here. So you're getting these bullish divergences, looking pretty bullish. Now you are printing your red dot here on the 4-hour. This is kind of what's making me think that we are, ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Actually, haven't been in a trade today, guys, just full disclosure. But I am looking for longs here. As you guys know, on the morning stream, we'll get to that in a second. But 4-hour, I actually think this is why, on the morning stream, I was talking about looking for a long as we were approaching this spider line, right? And I was saying, I'm not FOMOing in, right? I'm not going to FOMO in here. This is exactly what I was saying on the morning stream. And because we were coming up to resistance, right? And I'm not going to FOMO into a long. I would have had to take this entire ride down, right? Let's actually go to a lower time frame here. Yeah, I would have had to come up and taken this entire ride down. So I wasn't FOMOing in. Good thing I didn't. And we did have that 15-minute, the line's still there, actually. Let me get rid of this RSI. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Where is that RSI? Let's turn it off. We don't want this RSI on right now. I think it just complicates things. Woo! Guys, we are on one tonight. Don't let Frankie Candles host 3 shows in one day, guys, because then we're just going and we're going and we're going and we're going. Oh, God. Mrs. Candles is going to be trying to sleep tonight, and I'm going to be, like, sitting there poking her, like, hey, let's do something. Let's play a game. Let's do something. I am wired, guys. Good day. Good day today. All right. But anyway, guys, shout out to the mods. Best mods in the game. Best mods on YouTube. Shout out to you guys. I see people put scam stuff, whatever it is, in chat, and they're gone instantly. I love it. But yeah, on the morning stream, we were talking about approaching this spider line. I said I was not going to FOMO in here because we were printing this bearish divergence on the 15-minute. Lower high on the momentum waves, higher high on your price action, right? Typically, this is where you see price come down. Now, if you've been watching this channel for a little while, you guys will, just from watching, even if you're not trading on your own, you're just watching the show, you find it entertaining for some reason, or, you know, you're just like listening about crypto, you're learning about crypto, you're not really trading. Just watching this channel, you guys will know how often these divergences play out, bullish or bearish, right? So that 15-minute bearish divergence is playing out exactly as I wanted it to. So now I was doing that, looking for a little bit of a better entry. Now, the thing that is making me think that we could possibly come down a little bit more here is I would love a retest of this value area high level right here, coming in at about $20,400. I would love a retest of this before, you know, putting in a long position to go high. Not financial advice. It's not a signal. It's not an entry signal, but this is kind of just what I'm looking for. I would love a retest of this level before going long, but this is kind of what makes me think that that 15-minute bearish divergence could play out a little worse. Red dot on the 4-hour. So your VWAP is crossing over that 0 line right here on the 4-hour chart. You guys know you want to come down to the 15-minute. When that's happening, you want to come down to the 15-minute. And you want to come down here and see, you know, money flow on the 15-minute did cross over. How long have we been crossed over on this 4-hour? Yeah, so money flow on the 15-minute is coming out. Typically, you know, this could make price come down a little bit more. So I am going to hold off still just a little bit, see if we can come down and get a true retest of this level, or maybe even a retest of this spider line. We'll see. VWAP is most likely going to come down here on the 15-minute and dig us a little bit deeper into the red. But just to give you guys an idea, kind of what I'm looking for, you know, the next, if we get dragged deeper into the red, that next 15-minute money flow crossover, if it is happening with the VWAP on the 4-hour crossing above the 0 line, that could be a great long entry point for me, not for you. This is not financial advice, guys, but that's what I'm looking for. Also, you know, 2-hour, you are getting that money flow crossover. This 2-hour money flow crossover kind of was making me want to get into a trade, but then I saw the 15-minute bearish divergence. I was like, probably going to come down, retest this value area low. So let me wait it out. This might come back into the red briefly, but in my opinion, if we are going to see the daily bullish divergence really play out in a good way, I could see this coming down into the red for just a second before finally coming up into a bigger green wave. Now, just looking at this, we have been in the red for quite some time now. In bear markets, I think it is important to realize here that in bear markets, you typically will spend much more time in the red than the green, which would make sense, obviously. So, you know, not impossible to just kind of come up for a second and back into the red. But I do think you might be due to come up here and spend a little time in the green on the 2-hour. So if we come back into the red, that 2-hour money flow crossover, if it's cooperating with the 4-hour and the 15-minute strategy, I will be looking for a long entry. And then even that 3-hour money flow is getting pretty close. Money flow is starting to come out a little bit here, but when that VWAP turns around and comes more towards the upside, it might drag that money flow back up, in which case it could be another reason I am looking to enter a long. So you're just seeing, right? These red waves are basically coming to an end, looking to cross over into the green. The 2-hour is already creeping into the green, and the 1-hour is, you know, obviously coming down a little bit here, but it is in the green, right? So you're seeing these lower time frames, you know, the 1, the 2, the 3-hour, even the 4-hour, you know, coming up towards that 0 line. When you see this, it could be pointing in the upward direction for the rest for the Bitcoin price, and then, you know, coming to these lower time frames. This is why I'm holding off, right? Lower time frames, if you want to call these micro time frames, I don't know if there's a legitimate gauge for technically these are micro time frames, typically these are lower time frames, typically these are medium time frames. I don't know, but I'm going to call these the micro time frames, the minutes, right? 15-minute money flow coming out, obviously crossing over into the red. Your 18-minute is coming down, crossing into the red. Your 23-minute, same thing, crossing over into the red. And so on these lower time frames, you are coming down with the money flow, which is obviously, like I said, you could come down and retest these lower levels before continuing higher. So the money flow coming out on the lower time frames is making me hold off on the long. Thank God I did. On the morning stream, I was saying bearish divergence, not going to get in yet. You don't want to FOMO. I would have gotten wrecked. So that is playing out in a pretty good way. Really happy about this retest. But when we start getting here, this is where I'm starting to look for maybe some bullish setups to get a good entry in for a long. But right now with the money flow coming out of those micro time frames is making me kind of want to sit it out just for now. And then, once you get up to the 90-minute, the 1 hour, you're seeing that the money flow is telling a different story, starting to come up, looking like it wants to move up. So short-term correction. And then medium term coming up more is kind of what I'm feeling. Now, as far as levels I'm watching, if we do come down to this value area low or this spider line, and I do get a long entry, I will be looking to take some profits probably around this spider line, coming in at about 21,555. So that is some local resistance right above you. And then above that, I would love for Bitcoin to get back up above this white box if we could. Let me grab my marker. Get a nice bounce, right? Maybe we move up. Maybe you get a little rejection off of this spider line before making higher lows and then finally breaking out. And then you're playing around with the 200-week moving average. And then you get out of this white box. And then more on a macro, not a macro scale, but a more of a longer term prediction for how high this pump could go is, let's go ahead and pull up our VPVR real quick. And let's minimize this and zoom out. One thing I want to point out to you guys, right? We've been talking about this a lot on the channel. Right, you range around here, right? We kind of ranged around here. Look at this, lots of volume spikes in here. There's a bunch of levels in there. But look at this. Big goose egg, right? Big drop off in volume here, right? And what happens when you enter these low volume areas? You get a breakdown of this spider line, a bearish retest, and you plummet through this low volume area. Again, looking at the big gap in the volume spikes, and then if you come around and you just circle this area, you can see that when you entered into the low volume area, you get that big move down. And I'm going to take that off before everybody tells me I'm doing making dirty drawings on our chart. That's not what that was, guys. It was a hot dog. But yeah, with this big gap in volume, if we can get above this white box, above this spider line, I do think things could get picked up pretty quickly here for maybe a quick move up to this spider line. Now, this is pretty bullish, 28. I do think probably this spider line at about 25K would be the first, I would say, like really bullish target if we can continue a rally up here. If you come over here, right, and kind of, if you come over to the most recent, the most recent money flow crossover here on the 2 hour, was right about here, measure from here to here. It brought us up about 15%. Let's see where that brings us in this scenario from our current price. So 15% would bring you kind of near this spider line here at about, at about 23,300. So that could be a realistic target for this. But I would say absolutely keep an eye on this. Maybe we'll actually draw a box here. No, I would say, yeah, like something like that. If we can get back into this white box, you might get a pretty quick movement up. But let's keep our eyes set on 23K, right? And then when we get there, we can reassess the situation and see if we can come all the way up. But one thing I do want to point out about this, guys, is if we pull up, is it this chart? Yes. This chart at about 26,700, you're coming up to the bottom of that macro golden pocket. Now, if we can get a massive move, what would that be altogether from wick to the bottom of here? 50%. Now, guys, it is 100% possible. I'm not saying this is definitely going to happen, but it is definitely possible to get a 50% pump in a bear market. This has happened before. We've gotten bigger pumps than that in a bear market, right? So I would say I'm going to do some moon boy predictions here. Not saying this is going to happen, but you do want to remember, right, there's not a lot of volume in this area. So if we can get up here and things start to pick up in this low volume area, the next big level is going to be that bottom of the golden pocket at about 26,550. And then obviously the top of that golden pocket is about 28,654. But the bottom of this golden pocket is going to be some really serious resistance if, guys, big if we even get up there. But I do just kind of want to give you guys an idea of, if we get moving through this low volume area pretty quick, that is probably going to be the biggest level of resistance that we encounter if it really starts to rip. But more realistic predictions here in the short term are definitely, in the immediate short term is definitely going to be this level right here. Obviously, immediately above you is going to be the spider line at about 21,550. And then the top of this box is ranging at about 22,500. I would say around 22,500. And then if we flip that, we could start to look at these higher levels of these spider lines at these higher price levels. But until we get out of this box, let's take it one step at a time. But with that daily bullish divergence, wouldn't be impossible to see some good positive price action here. Maybe a little rally. If you guys were tuned into ATB, you will know. I think it was, who said it? Someone was saying they maybe are expecting a little bit of a summer rally here. So if we get a summer rally, maybe we get a nice little pump. 50% is, it's happened before in bear markets. It's not impossible. If you come all the way back, let's go to a longer time frame and come all the way back to 2017, when we finally got this big move down from here to the top, I mean, that's 100%, right? So you can pump 100% in a bear market. It's not possible. So, but just be careful. Someone else also said this on ATB. Be careful. I'm glad someone else is out there saying this. I'm not the only one talking about this. If we get a big pump, guys, people are going to be coming out of the woodworks. Oh, all-time highs. The bull market's back on. Don't take the bait, guys. Don't take the bait. Those people are very dangerous. Now, granted, is it impossible? No, it's not 100% impossible, but they're going to come out and say all-time highs, guys. The bull market's back on. This news article is going to bring us to the moon. Take it with a grain of salt, guys. Don't get stuck in a bear trap, or a bull trap, I'm sorry. But hey, we could short-term trade it. We could long it on the way up with some leverage, make our bag, get out, and then let that thing fall back down, and we're going to be collecting the bags on the way down, just stacking our bag full of bagels on the way down, just free-falling with the price, and we're just shorting and throwing the bagels in the bag, and then we're coming home, and we're having a feast. All right, before we continue, guys, we got 713 people in here. Thank you, every single one of you, for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you're new, welcome to the Frankie Candles live stream, where I show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. In a bull market or a bear market, we're out here collecting the baguettes. So let's go ahead and check chat real quick before diving deeper into the charts here. Biomex, what is good? Welcome back, man. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. How do you find those spider lines? Crypto Chicken, what is going on, man? Crypto Pollo, I appreciate you for being here, man. Tony, Tyler, Captain Mafia Mama. Somebody, if you could find my spider line video and link it for Crypto Pollo, I would appreciate it. Crypto Pollo, I do have a full A to Z tutorial video on how to get these spider lines. So definitely check that out. Someone will definitely link it here pretty soon. And let's see, macroeconomics, the world is on fire. This is a tiny relief rally. Yeah, Pravi, I tend to agree with you, man. I definitely tend to agree with you. I do think there is probably going to be more pain on the horizon. I'm getting Femex notifications. Who's the best ETH predictor? Predict right and win a massive prize. Anyway, but yeah, I do tend to agree with you. Yeah, guys. The macroeconomic environment, obviously, I talk about this every single day. It's not good. We're probably going to see some more pain, especially with this looming recession. And if you were watching ATB, there's some people that think it's definitely coming, and we're probably already in the midst of it right now. So shout out to you who said that. I lost it, but shout out to you, man. I do tend to agree with you. Hillbilly Crypto. Oh God, the Billies are out today again, aren't they? New to your show, but I love trading. Hey, Hillbilly Crypto. Welcome to the Frankie Candles YouTube channel. I love trading too. Let's hang out. And welcome to the Mafia. There's no getting out now. Hillbilly Crypto, you are now part of the Candle Mafia. So welcome. We're happy to have you. Pull up a seat, grab some popcorn, grab some freeze-dried Skittles, whatever your candy of choice is, and let's get this money. Let's see. I'm back, Optimus Prime. What is going on? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. MetaMax says, what's the ETH target for this mini pump? We'll take a look at ETH in just a second. Connor Jenkins, what is going on? How does it feel to be flat out all day, Frankie? Connor, yeah, we're going through the ringer today. Super long day, super busy day, super tired, exhausting day. But I got to be here for the CandleMafia and the Bit Squad while the bosses are out of town. Yeah, super excited to be hosting all these shows. It's super fun, and I do love, although it's new and scary when I do things that I'm not typically accustomed to. Let there be a lesson, guys. I like to learn, right? So just so you know, even if I was, not that I think I am, but if I was struggling or everybody, said I was doing a bad job or whatever, these are the situations I like to put myself in, right? Because that's how you grow, right? So sometimes you gotta do things you're uncomfortable with to grow in life, just in your own being. So yeah, feels tiring, but I am honored to do it, and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So yeah, shout out to you, brother. Boris says BTC had its run. Yes, BTC definitely had its run this cycle, that's for sure. We're not expecting all-time highs anymore. Or are you saying this is its run? You think we're just coming straight down? Not impossible. I mean, we are in a bear market. Hillbilly Crypto says, thank you. Thank you, Tony. Thanking Tony out there. Rob the Crypto Sauce says, Frankie Candles, you work hard, boss. Have you planned a vacation? We don't want you to get burnt out. Rob, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you because I appreciate you looking out for that part of my life because I tend not to. I mostly get forced on vacations. Any vacation I go on, I'm kind of forced into. I don't know what it is, especially now that I'm doing this, and I'm so passionate about it, and I love the CandleMafia so much. It's hard to pull me away from work. But yeah, I appreciate you. Keep checking on me, because eventually we'll have to wind up planning something. But maybe we'll just make it a CandleMafia. Maybe we'll go on a CandleMafia cruise. How cool would that be? Yeah, we'll do like an NFT drop and like the highest, most rare NFTs get to go on the cruise or something. I don't know. I'm just spitballing here. But yeah, if I do go on vacation, I'm going to do everything in my power to go on vacation with the CandleMafia. Anyway, let's go. Hey, bro, what do you think about the ProShares BTC short ETF? Please, some insight would be nice. Kiawan Chetty, I will say this. I know what you're talking about. I haven't looked much into it. It's interesting. I don't think it's going to have much of an effect on the price, if that's what you're asking, on the Bitcoin price. But yeah, I don't really want to speak on it just because I haven't looked too much into it, but I do know what you're talking about. I don't think it's going to have too much effect. If you're asking for how I think it'll affect the price, if that's the question, I don't think it's going to have much of a price impact. And that's just my opinion, obviously. All right, let's see. Salute, everybody. What's goody? Shout out Frankie, hashtag CandleMafia. Let's go. Ryan Mack, what's going on, man? Welcome back. And Anonymous, he says bong. He forgot the bing. I'll add the bing. Bing. Anonymous, that's you. No? All right. Anyway, bing bong. Anyway, guys, I'm just kidding. I don't know why I'm like this. What do you think of a Solana short? Hey, Tom. Let me know when we get a little further into the show. We start looking at the alts. Well, it's kind of changed. We don't really just like take requests and look at the alts, but we start to kind of look at them. We'll take a look at Solana, and I'll let you know what I think. Frankie has grown from a quiet, nervous guy to the star of BitBoy. Shout out to Mike Fitzgerald. Frankie has grown from a quiet, nervous guy. I don't know if I was ever a quiet, nervous guy. But shout out to you, Mike Fitzgerald. You're the man. I appreciate you for saying those kind words. Really does mean a lot. Shout out to Mike. Let's show some love in the chat for Mike. Let's go, man. I love you. Chusei Crypto. Hey, sup, boss man? Chusei, what's going on, brother? Thank you for being here. Unforgettable name. There he is. Hey, Unforgettable. Thank you for supporting me in that morning stream. I really do appreciate you. I really, really do. You got me into the ribbon pattern. Check the descending wedge on the BTC price target, 19K. Descending wedge. Okay, interesting. Charlie Rossi. All right. So, guys, let's just, before I look into that, let's take a look at Ethereum, or ETH, as some of your non-crypto friends might call it, or Erythrium, as some of your grandparents might call it. Anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about, guys. But, obviously, I will just start on the, daily. Bullish divergence confirmed, obviously. This confirmed way before Bitcoin did. Now, the one thing I will say about these daily bullish divergences is, these VWAPs are not coming up as strongly as I would like. They're just kind of limped over, right? Just kind of flopped over, not showing too much gusto behind them. Doesn't mean it's not going to play out, but what we don't want is for these to come back over, cross that zero line, start printing red dots, and then, the bullish divergence is over, party's over, we're going down. Not looking too good. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but I'm just saying I really would like to see a little more chutzpah, a little more oomph behind this thing. But, it is what it is. We'll take what we can get in a bear market. But with Ethereum, I would say as far as prices, because obviously it's looking very similar to Bitcoin, we do have this resistance level here at about 1239. If we get above that, we are looking closer to about 1430. So that is definitely, possibly in the cards if we see this thing play out in a big way. But again, not really seeing too much chutzpah behind this thing. I don't even know if I'm using that right word. Somebody correct me if I'm saying the wrong word. But that's just what I feel. But yeah, this, not out of the question that we could, obviously, again, 1238, 1240 is going to be your next level that you're probably going to reject off of. And if we get out of there, we could test the bottom of this box at about 1400. I would give you further targets, but let's get there. If we can get there, then we'll reassess the situation. But I would say immediate targets, 1240 is probably what you're looking at. Let's see. Look, Tony says Erythrium sounds like an anti-diuretic. That is funny. Oh, like Imodium. I think that's probably what you're comparing it to. Imodium, Erythrium. I like that. Oh, my stomach. Does anybody have any Erythrium? I need Pepto-Bismol. I need Erythrium. Oh, God. Shorts are being loaded. Let's go. Been really enjoying the content, lady. I just called myself a content lady. Pandacore says, been enjoying the content lately. Love the community and your energy, Frankie. Learning so much. Heart emoji. Hey, Pandacore. I appreciate that. I love you. You're a part of the CandleMafia now, or the Candle family. So I appreciate you for saying those kind words. It means a lot. Trust me. The Godfather is in chat, guys. And I mean the Godfather, not my father. The Godfather, D.Godfather, in chat. What is going on, brother? He says, Frankie, I took profit and waiting for retest to get back in. Learned from the best. Thanks, buddy. CandleMafia. Guys, show some respect to the Godfather in chat. Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate you, man. And respect. I am only a soldier to you, my friend. Anyway, shout out to you, man. To Crypto Plumber at Frankie, we don't need the Bing, we just need the Bong. Especially Bitcoin, so hopefully it goes up. To Crypto Plumber, I see you, brother. I see you. William Young, what up, Frankie? What up, William? Shout out to you, man. Crypto Sasquatch, not much octane behind it. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Not too much vagunch. That's a word I literally just made up. Not enough. There's not enough not enough skumbach on it. You know what I'm saying? Put a little English on it. Put a little Denozo in it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, not. But it doesn't mean it can't play out. But not. I would like to see a little more power behind it, or octane. As who said it? 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 Somebody said octane. I forget. Chris Higgins says, Frankie Candles, I have been testing Camarilla pivot points, and they have been spot on. Interesting. Have you looked into this indicator? No, I have not. Chris, give me more info. Let's see. What's up, Frankie Candles? Roger Hayes, what's going on? V-Slim said, I found... okay, all right. I don't know if I can read that one. Mr. Hart teaches, says, Frankie, check out the descending broadening wedge on BTC. Is the bottom trend line, could take us to 14K. We will take a look at that in just a second. Clipping all of this gold. Let's go, Tony. Shout out to Tony, one of the best mods in the game. V-Slim, a little over to the left, bro. Oh, God. I don't know what you guys... I'm weak. Tony D is weak over here. Let's go. Captain Candles, Mafia Mama, Frankie Candles versus Biology. Oh, God. Yeah, me versus the English language, me versus biology, me versus not drinking energy drinks, me versus sleep. I will fight sleep. I try to go to bed, I get tired, I just try to fight it. Me versus sleep. I have a lot of enemies. I got a lot of enemies, You guys know that song? Little Drake for you. But yeah. You know what's funny? Sometimes the mods will like get in touch with me after the stream and just to go over some things like, hey, we got to do this giveaway. Hey, you landed on this on the wheel. Hey, this person said this. Here's some suggestions. Whatever they do. But sometimes they reach out and, they say, sometimes, the other day Tony called me and he goes, bro, I was dying. You thought you were talking about one thing, but we were talking about a different thing, and apparently the whole chat was laughing at me. I thought they were laughing with me, and they were laughing at me, and I was just dying. It was so funny. So shout out to the mods. Crypto Billy, hashtag FCU. Crypto Billy, we were just talking about you, man. Thank you for all the support in the morning stream. We appreciate you. We were just talking about you. I thought you were in here, but welcome back. Thank you for being here, man. The only man to ever throw hands with sleep. Come on. Yeah, I'll mess a nap up, my guy. I will smack up a nap. Come at me. Anyway, but yeah, guys, these are kind of the levels that I am looking at for ETH and Bitcoin. Now checking in on the DXY, the plot thickens, guys. The plot thickens. Now money flow continuing to come out on the 4-hour. This is kind of what I'm monitoring here. Is this? Yeah. So this is kind of what I'm monitoring here, guys, as far as the DXY. Money flow coming out on the 4-hour. Money flow coming out on the 3-hour, right? Not looking too bad. And the 2 hours in the red, right? So if we could continue, if we can get this 4-hour to come into the red, starts leaking into the lower time frame or the longer time frames, could see it maybe come down again and get a little bit of relief. But, let's just kind of take a look. Yeah, 15-minute coming back into the green, 30-minute kind of binging and bonging. Yeah, you're kind of just ranging on the DXY here. I do just like to keep, not really much to deduct from here today, but I do just like to keep an eye on it for you guys. SPY, taking a look. There you go. But let's go to a higher time frame here. So there you go. Little green candle, little green 8-hour candle coming to the 4-hour. Nice, we did get a little bit of a bounce here and did get the bullish divergence on the SPY as you're very close to this support level right here. So we did get a nice little pump on the SPY, which is probably why we saw Bitcoin come up a little bit as they do typically move with each other. So yeah, not looking too bad. Starting to lose steam here, but we did get a nice little bounce here from the SPY. So that is looking good. Let's actually take a look at USDT dominance. Let's go ahead and click it. Here we go. Yeah, so USDT dominance starting. Yeah, so obviously we had a massive run up and then we came down, right? People, the price of Bitcoin was dumping. People were taking their stable coins out, probably scooping up the dip. That's basically what you're seeing there is people buying the dip, right? B, T, F, D. I'm not going to fully draw that out. But yeah, that's probably what this big dump is here. People buying the dip. You did obviously come down quite a bit. So very interesting to see here. Your money flow on the 2-hour is entering into the red. 4-hour money flow coming down similar to the looking similar to the DXY. So this is somewhat good. Seeing the money leaving the USDT dominance is that is actually a pretty good sign. But we're going to have to see what happens here. This could obviously just pick back up and come into a bigger green wave. But nonetheless, it is looking like it's starting to lose steam as well as the DXY. And then, so when you have the DXY looking like it's losing steam, you have the SPY coming down to some support that we've been looking at for quite some time. And then, you have USDT dominance coming down a little bit, and you have the bullish divergence on the daily for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It does seem like we could get a relief rally, maybe even just a little bit more than we've already been seeing. We have been seeing a little bit of relief. But again, as I always say, you want to be careful in the bear markets, guys, as you do want to be greedy with those shorts, conservative with those longs. Let's see, are people just getting out of USDT and into USDC? Yeah, that could be possible, Moki or Maki. That could be possible. Funky Music says, hi, at Frankie, what trading platform do you use? I'm struggling looking for a new user-friendly one. Currently have Webull, and I love the charting tools, but the lack of coins is killing me. Any suggestions? I would go ahead and suggest, if you're just looking for somewhere to buy, I would recommend KuCoin. We do have a We do have a KuCoin deal. I will put the link in the chat there for you if you're not already using KuCoin and you want to sign up and get a little bit of a deal. You can use our link here. You will help out the channel just a little bit, but you also get discounts on the fees, I believe. I believe that's the deal. But if you sign up with that link, you will get discounts. But I love KuCoin, guys. I never promote anything on this channel that I don't actually use. And, you know, even if someone were to come to us and say, hey, can you look at our indicator? Can you look at our trading platform? I won't promote it until I have used it for a little while. So I'll say, yeah, I'd love to do the deal, but I want to make sure that it's good. If I don't like it, I'm not going to push it on you guys. But KuCoin, I use every single day. It's one of my main platforms. Phemex, I use for day trading with leverage. I use that every single day. I use Coinbase too, but more as an on-off ramp. But yeah, Coinbase has, if you're who said that? Funky Music, if you're struggling with your selection of altcoins, KuCoin is where you want to be at. They have over 600 altcoins. They offer up to 5x leverage without KYC on a lot of them. They have trading bots, they have lending, they have staking, they have so much stuff. Right now they have a contest that you could literally just guess, try to predict the price of Bitcoin in the next 4 hours, and if you're right, you could win USDT. It's awesome. It's an amazing platform. I absolutely love KuCoin. So yeah, definitely check that out. Phemex is where I've been hanging out. Way more user-friendly. Yeah, we could throw our Phemex link in there as well if you want to go ahead and long or short Bitcoin with or without leverage. You could check out our Phemex link, but just be careful with the leverage. If you're not an experienced trader, I don't recommend starting with leverage. I would recommend spot trading or even paper trading with fake money, getting your handle on trading in TA before entering any kind of leverage positions. And if you are going to use leverage positions, even if you're experienced, keep it low leverage, guys. You do not want to be trading with like 100x leverage or something, or 50x leverage, unless you really, really know what you're doing. Shout out to Jason Casper. He be out there 50x leverage. But guys, Jason knows what he's doing, right? Jason's very experienced. He's a very profitable trader. He knows what he's doing. So if you're just getting started or you only been trading for a couple months, do not be using leverage like that until you feel like you are completely in control of everything. So shout out. Frankie Candles do use bots. I do think I'm going to, we did make that trading bot video for KuCoin, but I do think that I'm going to make another one that is going to be like a series, a KuCoin trading bot series, where I set up maybe a couple bots with a little bit of money, and we'll kind of maybe like once a week, every 2 weeks, whatever. Anytime there's a big development, the bot loses a lot or the bot makes a lot, I'll do a little update video so you guys can kind of follow along and see and learn from the mistakes that I make with these bots, so you guys don't have to waste your money. You could just watch me waste mine, or watch me make money, hopefully. But yeah, I think we were gonna, let's make a poll. Do you guys want to see a KuCoin trading bot series? Would you guys even be interested in that? Because it would be a lot of work. And if you're not interested, if you are interested, let me know on the poll, vote yes. If not, you don't care, just hit no and I won't make it. I would love to not, if you guys don't want to see it, I would love to save the time and the energy. But let's see. Also, Tony says, Frankie Candles, also a very special thanks to 3 Discord users helping me boost the server to unlock all perks for the Mafia members. Papa Dope, Paper Route Frank, and Ricky P. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's awesome. We're going to have a lot of cool bells and whistles on the Discord. Tony and the mods are sprucing up the Discord. We're bringing the sauce. I'm bringing the sauce. I'm bringing the TA. I'm bringing the calls. We're bringing all that good stuff. And Tony and the CandleMafia and the mods are bringing those bells and whistles to the Discord just to make it a little more enjoyable for you guys. Again, if you guys want to join the Discord, Tony, I'm actually going to put this on your radar. I'm getting messages out the wazoo. Discord links are broken. I've updated all the links with non-expiring links, and we're still having trouble for some reason. If that's something someone can look into, I appreciate it more than anything. But shout out to those Discord members. Thank you for helping out the CandleMafia. We do have the best community out here on YouTube. And guys, again, the Discord is 100% free. I'm putting my TA in. I make calls on there. It's all 100% free. People charge a lot of money for this. People charge 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, $100 a month for this. We're giving it away for absolutely free. So definitely hop in that Discord. Tyler Durden just dropped that link in there. Join it. It's literally risk free. It's completely free. And if you get in there and you hate it, you can leave. But yeah, we're having a great time in there, crushing the trades. We got a lot of people doing good TA. Great place to learn. You guys can share charts with each other. I know we do have a couple favorite traders in there. I've even had people reach out and be like, hey, we love this guy in the trading channel. Can you like give him a mod, like make him a mod or something, give him like a badge? And I think we're gonna do that. I think we're doing Mafia ranks in the Discord. But with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump right back into the charts here. Now, all right, let's check on that wedge that you guys were talking about. Yeah, they're saying a broadening, a descending broadening wedge. I see, the thing is, like with that kind of stuff, like I need a time frame or something, because I could find these patterns all over the place. But yeah, let me know what time frame you guys are thinking about. Fred, I fixed the issue. Check Slack later. Okay, thank you, Tony. Shout out to you, Frankie Candles boss at Crypto Owl. Asked you, can you explain cross trading? What do you mean by cross trading? You're talking about cross margin. Navy Sooner says, love you, bro. I love you, Navy Sooner. What is going on? Let's see. Tyler Durden is our fearless leader. Let's go, Tyler. Tyler helps out a lot with this channel, as all of our mods do. Captain Kirk, Crypto Anon, Tyler Durden, and Tony D are the best mods in the game. They do much more than I could ever ask for, and you guys are the absolute best. Frankie, ever check out Tino from Traders Reality? Yeah, I think I have seen Tino, I think. Is he like the English dude? People quote him all the time. Yeah, I have seen him. He's the Happy Days guy, right? Yes, I have seen him. He's a cool guy. Let's see. I'm in the Discord all the time, giving all types of info. Shout out to Chusei Crypto. I see you in there, brother. You absolutely are. I almost signed up for a trading group for over $120 a month for what Frankie does for free. Glad I waited. Ryesh. Yeah, listen. Now, I'm not, I don't want to like, listen, I don't want to, say that, paid groups are all horrible. I'm not saying that, but a lot of them are probably not worth it. And I'm in a specific situation where I can give mine out for free, and I'm happy to do so. So I hope that you guys seem like you're finding it very useful. So I'm really happy about that. I'm pretty proud of the Discord. I'm proud of the TA that we put in there. Proud of the community we're building. And I'm glad that we're able to give it away for free, because I know what it's like to start in this game and not have that $100 a month to give away to some person who should be making a lot of money trading and doesn't actually need that $100 a month. But you have to understand, guys, YouTube it's a business, right? Like, YouTubers have to make money too, even though people think that, like, yeah, it's like people think like, oh, this person shills this product, or this person shills this link, or this person shills this. And it's like people have to make money too, right? We have referral links, but I don't charge you for my Discord. My Discord's completely free. So my thought process behind that, if you guys are wondering, is you guys are gonna probably sign up for a trading platform regardless, right? You're gonna sign up for Femex. If you're already looking and interested in this channel to trade or leverage trade, you're gonna sign up for Bybit or Femex. So I give you my Discord, I give you the free education, I give you the free calls, I give you the free TA, the free Discord. And then if you guys are if you're interested in being in that Discord, you're probably signed up for Femex or gonna sign up for Femex anyway. So like, I'd rather give you all the education for free, and then you're gonna sign up for Femex anyway. Like, you're not paying me directly, so it's still kind of free. Like, I'm still a business, right? We still have to make money, but it's not coming out of your pocket. I don't want to take money out of your pocket. My goal is to put money in your pockets. Why would I charge you? Not saying that we would never charge for anything. We're going to have merch and other products that we'll charge for. But, as far as the trading goes, the referral links is like, I'm not taking any money out of your pocket. I'm giving you the free education. And then, I get a kickback too, but it's not coming out of your pocket. So in my eyes, that's a win-win situation. But shout out to the Discord. We absolutely love it. Crypto needs Frankie. God bless. Love the bot idea. Okay. All right. So we got 81% yeses for the bot content. Maybe we'll do that. Sauce on sauce in the Discord. Let's go. Frankie, can you check the 4-hour bearish hidden divergence? Neil, what's up, Neil? Neil says pizza. Pizza, pizza. 4-hour hidden bullish, bearish divergence, he said. Let's see. On the RSI or nah? Yeah, okay, so here, hang on. Let me just, let's see. So anyway, I don't know. I think this is in the Discord. If it's not, I will try to add it. I'll try to add it today. But just so you guys know, you could Google this. You could just Google hidden bearish divergence or bullish divergence, bearish divergence. You can do this for anything with trading. I highly recommend it. Just go to images. And you could get some really, really like easy cheat sheets to look at here. Bullish and bearish divergences, hidden bullish divergences. There's some other weird ones that you can look up. But yeah, like regular divergence, we talk about these all the time. Bearish, you have higher highs on your price. And then lower highs on your momentum indicator, whether it's the RSI or your market cipher B. And then bullish is obviously the opposite. And then your hidden, these are your hiddens. But if you guys want to like take a look at that for a second or so. But if this is not already in the Discord, I will try to dump it in there for anyone who is super new. But let's see. So when does this candle close? 1 hour and 8 minutes. Yeah, listen. Based off of, so I guess the question is what I think about this. With the money flow on the 2 hours, with the 2 hour and the 3 hour, it looks pretty good. For a big dump, I would more be watching this VWAP crossing the zero line, and this makes me think, yeah, see, so even, yeah, I think it's likely we come down and test this support line right here. But with this money flow crossover into the red and that 4-hour VWAP crossover to the downside, this is, probably got me a little more concerned than the hidden bearish divergence. But, with the 2 hour looking this good, I think it is likely. And there you go. This is exactly what we were just talking about before it actually happened here. 2 hour came into the green, right? And then we were saying it could come back into the red briefly before coming back into a bigger green wave. And you're seeing that happen right now. I know it's like probably almost impossible to see, but you can see here. We'll zoom in a lot. You come up into the red, and now you're curving right back up. So kind of exactly what we're talking about. But yeah, like I said, as far as that chat, who said that? Let me get rid of this. I don't know who said that. Jordan said, Frank, you are a legend. Thank you for all you do. Jordan, you're a legend. I appreciate the kind words. But yeah, I do think that there is a chance that we probably come down a little bit more before turning around and coming up higher. But yes, let's see. Thank you. CryptoAnon just posted that little divergence cheat sheet in the Discord for anyone that wants to kind of take a look at it and, maybe look at the charts and see if they can find it, find these things. You could look at it and then come to the chart, see if you could pick them out, see how they played out, stuff like that. But yeah, I believe we do have a channel now for all different types of cheat sheets that people can update. Thanks, Neil. Pizza it is. Oh, I guess Neil was like answering. Someone asked what they should eat, and Neil was answering. 722 people in here. Thank you all for tuning in. Oh no, hopefully my New York friends aren't watching because I just said y'all. And but I don't say y'all, right? I say y'all, like a New Yorker. You know what I'm saying? But thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Smash up that like button. We're going for 600 likes. I know I said 500 before, but we're already at 400, so we're shooting for 600 today, guys. I think we could do that. Mafia, go ahead and peck that like button like Chicken Pollo said. Chicken Pollo, Crypto Pollo. Yes, cross margin. So here's what I'll say about cross margin. I'm going to go full face real quick. I'm going to tell you a story, right? Let's tell a little bit of a story. Here, come in, guys. Pull up a chair. Guys, this chair sounds like that TikTok. You ever see that TikTok of someone scooting their chair and it's like that little beat thing? I don't think you guys are gonna know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this chair sounds exactly like that. Anyway, guys, cross margin. This is important. I don't recommend using cross margin at all, right? I don't use it ever. I used it once, and it was by accident. It wasn't even by accident. It was like by glitch, and it wrecked me. It absolutely wrecked me. So basically, how cross margin works is if your trade starts to go south, right? And I'll just like if it's going the way you don't want it to go. If you're losing your trade, right? As you lose more and more and more, instead of getting liquidated and losing all your money that you had in the trade, what it will do is, because typically for those of you who might not know, who are brand new, you have your account, right? So say you have $1,000 in your account and then you're using $100 to put on one single trade, right? So with isolated leverage, you get a liquidation price. And if you come down and you hit that liquidation price, you lose that whole $100. But your $900 you have left in your account is totally safe and unaffected by that, right? With cross margin, if you start going south, right, and you come down low enough, it will start to grab money from your actual account to cover the trade, right? So if it keeps going south, it's going to keep pulling money from your main account, and you can totally blow your entire account up like that on one trade. And that is exactly what happened to me. I was trading on my phone, and I was on isolated leverage. I don't know what happens. Somehow it completely defaulted, went back to cross margin. I went to go check my phone, and I opened up VMEX, and I realized it switched to cross margin, and my entire account was blown up. Thank God it was a smaller account. I didn't have a lot of money in it, so it kind of worked out. I mean, I still got wrecked, but I didn't like lose I didn't lose like my real trading account. But it will pull money from your main account, so just know that you want to stick to isolated leverage. I don't recommend cross margin at all. I've been wrecked by accident, so I don't recommend it. If you're using it, you know how to use it, and it's working for you. I'm not saying you can't use it, but I just don't personally recommend it. It's never been a thing that I've done, and I've been completely wrecked by it. So I just try to caution you guys, learn from my mistakes, stick with isolated leverage. At least isolated leverage lets you know, hey, I'm taking all your money at this price, and you could, I mean, obviously if you set a stop loss, you're safe from all that anyway, but just be careful out there. The cross margin will sneak up and glitch you out and take all your money. Anyway, yeah, cross margin is the devil. Thesis himself, what is going on, man? Shout out to you. I think I was talking to you in the Discord earlier. I'm not sure. Hey, Frankie, can you look at Chainlink, please? Yes, I'll look at Chainlink right now, or in 2 seconds. Let's see. Chairs is pulled. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I just fell off my chair from moving forward. Oh, no, Hector, no. Hey, let's see. Blanchard's V's losing their mind. Let's see. Oh, my God. I see you, Jeremy. I see you. Let's see. Now someone needs to make the song to the chair noise. Somebody clip it. Somebody make it a song. Let's go. Let's see. Bybit USDC perpetual. You can only do cross margin. That's a stitch up. Interesting. Nice story, bro. I turned 180 into 4K in a few weeks trading on high leverage. Then left a trade open that cross margined me to. Oh God! It wiped my whole account out. Yeah, crypto info. That's what I'm saying. Not a good situation to be in. I'm sorry that happened to you. Robert Cadena says hashtag Bing Bong Don. Let's go, Robert. I appreciate you for being here. How can I get on the Discord? I used the link and nothing. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with our Discord links. We're under attack. From Southampton, UK. Got work in 4 hours. Staying awake for you, Frankie. Been a sub since 112. Wow, Cypher Kano, a true OG. I salute you as a true OG of the CandleMafia. You should be an underboss, my man. Thank you for being here all the way from the UK. I appreciate you, man. I really do. You should start calling your trolls red candles. Yeah, we should. I think we're gonna call them we'll just call them see ya, because we just have the ejectocito. You know what I'm saying? You guys ever see Too Fast, Too Furious? Ejectocito, cuz we got the eject button, right? Like someone's like, TA's astrology for crypto bros. Boop, see ya. It's fun. I love ejecting people. I'm sure Tony, Crypto Anon, Tyler Durden, and Captain Kirk or Captain Candles Mafia Mama have a great time doing it as well. I just noticed my soul short is in a cross. Oh no, Sniper Nightmare. Yeah, get out of that. Not financial advice. I mean, listen, handle the trade the way you see fit. But yeah, just keep an eye on that because you don't want it to wreck your entire account. Tyler has informed me you need to have your Discord for 24 hours before joining servers. Oh, interesting. I was sub 100. I think it was around 72. J Rego Music, I know you've been in here for a while. The Discord link works. You have to turn on the ad blocker for the webpage. Oh, interesting. Okay, been trying to trade on Bybit. Always have issues connecting to VPN. Any tips? I would say go ahead and use our Femex link. Link in the description. Also, somewhere in chat here. Or don't use our link. It doesn't matter. But you will get a deposit bonus if you do use our link. I would try Femex. I love Femex. I used to use Bybit a lot. I don't use it anymore, really, or not a lot, at least. I'm a Femex man now. So I've been loving it. I have no problems with it. It works great. Their phone app is beautiful. I love it. Really, really, really good experience with Femex. Frankie, when did you first buy Bitcoin? First bought Bitcoin in 2017, I think. Yeah, 2017, I believe. 2016 or 2017. I think it was 2017. Let's see. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Haha, just noticed the Mafia labels in Discord. Let's go. Oh, are they up? Oh, boy. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right back into the charts here. And let's go ahead. Let's check Solana. We've been asking a lot of people asking about Solana today. Oh, baby. Coming right down to our support level here. Let's go to the daily, see what we got. I'll drink some Hawaiian volcanic water. For those of you new, sponsored by Volcanic Hawaiian Water here. It's the only thing we drink. How do you think we have the energy we do to do all three of these live streams? Gotta drink that Hawaiian volcanic water. Anyway, here we are on the daily, guys. Looking the same as Bitcoin as far as the daily bullish divergence and all that goodness. Just gonna kind of maneuver in here. Money flow crossover on the 10-hour. Looking pretty promising here. Your VWAP is coming down, so probably gonna drag you back into the red a little bit before curving back up. But nonetheless, that is actually, looking pretty good. Nice round. Look at the round. Look at the round bottom on this money flow. Oh, baby. I do like myself a nice little round bottom. Anyway, guys, this is a family-friendly show, guys. Stop talking about the money flow, guys. Get your mind out of the gutters. Anyway, 4-hour money flow crossover, but you are printing that red dot just like you are on Bitcoin. But you do have the 4-hour money flow crossover. That's actually looking pretty good. Obviously, you are getting a retest of this level here with that red dot on the 4-hour. Checking the 15-minute money flow back in the red, but kind of curving up, kind of curving down there. But it is looking yeah, it is looking like we want to cool off, very similar to Bitcoin. Now, someone asked me for to look at a possible Solana short. Now, this is more what I would have looked for to short this, right? Right now, in my opinion, you're a little too close to support to be shorting right now. But what you could have seen was this possible, right here, right? Your bearish divergence here on the 15-minute. This is, you got your lower high, your higher high on your price. That alligator mouth, that open alligator mouth, you guys want to remember, you got the open alligator mouth for the bearish divergence and the pinchers for the bullish divergence. Open alligator mouth obviously happening right here, right? Opened up wide, and then usually it just pukes the price right down. And yeah, you could have, for anyone who kind of wants insight into how I would actually trade this, right, I would see the bearish divergence, right? So I would look to enter at least as close as I could to right here. And then, let's measure this from, let's say we got in here. Yeah, I mean, this is, you could ride this down, say you got in about here. Come on. Say you got in about here and you ride it down. You could probably take profit. Yeah, I mean, you could take profit like around here, around this level. And then ride the rest down to this area of support right here. So yeah, I mean, you could have caught this for a pretty decent move. I mean, coming down 7%. I mean, all you got to do is Zlatan just sent me a Discord message. What's up, man? You could have caught a nice move there with leverage. I mean, even without leverage, I mean, you could even trade that without leverage. 7%, you know, on $100 is $7, on $1,000 it's $70, on $10,000 it's $700, right? Hey, Frankie, glad to be here. Zlatan, I don't know how to say your name, man, but hit me up on Discord during the stream. You're interrupting the show. I'm just kidding. What's up, man? Welcome to the Discord. Welcome to the CandleMafia. Maybe you're in chat. I don't know. Anyway, let's see what we got. What did I miss? Matthew Barnes, you didn't miss anything because we waited for you. We waited for you, man. We wouldn't have gone on without you. Sorry, guys. Taking care of my mom. Who had surgery on and off today. Hey, Biomex. Best wishes to your mom, man. I hope it was nothing serious. XRP wallets need to keep 20 XRP on them. Used to be 100 XRP. Oh, interesting. I did not know that. Neil says, haha, what an analogy. Alligator just puked, price plummets. Now this is educational. Yeah, I mean, listen, you got to make it understandable, right? Like, you know, we could, it's like, why not? You know, make it fun, right? I mean, and for any of those who are confused, you know, let me go ahead and open up these settings, get rid of this arrow, and we can start to get artistic here. Somebody make it an NFT. You know, you got the top of the alligator mouth here. Teeth, right? Teeth. And then, you know, I guess if you come back here, right? And then you got teeth here. There's your alligator mouth, right? And then here's your alligator eye. This is a weird looking alligator. But this is what alligators look like nowadays, guys, with the GMOs and the weird stuff in the water. This is what alligators look like nowadays. Have you seen an alligator recently? There is your open alligator mouth, and it's just puking down to that next support level. I'm just kidding, guys. We're having fun. We're having fun here. But really, that's, you know, it's just easy to remember. You know, so you got that alligator mouth, just pukes out that price. Could have caught that nice move down here, but in my opinion, to answer the question from chat, little too close to support here to be shorting for me on the 15-minute. You know, I would more, too close to support, to be honest. I mean, not to say, you know, if you went to a lower time frame, you know, you could short that. You know, if you come down to the 5-minute or something, you know, you don't have a bearish divergence, but if you were pulling bearish divergences or something here, you could short it down to support. But for me, this is too close to support to be shorting. I would have looked for this bearish divergence to short that. Much more room to win that trade. So there you go, guys. Flicking the sauce on you guys, getting a little in-depth sneak peek of you know, what kind of goes through my head when I'm looking for these trades. Also, you know, someone hit me up before and was saying that Evan Aldo was showing us some love on his stream today. So guys, I want to shout out Evan Aldo. He does some really good analysis. He's a really great trader. He makes some really good content on his YouTube channel, Evan Aldo. Go check him out. Maybe Tony or Tyler or somebody can go ahead and link his YouTube channel in chat. I love seeing other YouTubers out there showing support, not just to me, but I love seeing, you know, YouTubers supporting other YouTubers, whoever they are. But somebody just brought it up to me. They're like, oh, dude, Evan Aldo was just shouting you out on the stream. So shout out to Evan Aldo, guys. If you have not checked him out, if you didn't come from there, if you did not see him on my stream and go sub to him, go check him out, drop him a sub, show him some love, and watch his content, because he has got a lot of stuff that he could teach you guys. He puts out some really good content. Shout out to you, Evan. I love you, brother. We got to get you on the stream here coming up soon. This week is absolutely nuts for me, so maybe next week I'm going to reach out to all our collabs and try to get them going. But this week my head is spinning. But Chainlink, let's take a look at Chainlink. There's your little Solana sauce. Let's take a look at Chainlink. Coming in at $6.92. I think DZ did say he bought, I think, one and a half Chainlink on that big dip yesterday. I know DZ's a fan of buying 1 or 2 Chainlink. I'm just kidding, guys. Just so you guys know, we are joking. I'm sure he bought a lot more than 1.5, but I know he likes to make that joke. But anyway, taking a look here, coming on over to the daily. Take a look here. We got 609 people in here. 600 likes is what we're going for, guys. If you want a chance to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure and win some more giveaways, like the 55 NFTs that we gave away last week, go ahead and smash that like button on your way in, on your way out, while you're sitting there. It's close. It's the easiest way to help our channel reach more people like you, so we could grow our CandleMafia into an absolute unstoppable army, and get our name on the building. Which, big news, guys. We hit 19,000 subscribers. I think we're at like 19.2K. We are now within hundreds of subscribers of catching NFT Alpha. But, you know, now that we've gotten here, I kind of see how far we are from 100. Which actually doesn't seem that far because we've gotten to 20 already. So shout out to you guys. I appreciate all of you guys show support every single day. Those who are subbed to the channel, we're getting our name on that dang building. We are going to make that happen. It's going to happen. It's already done. It's just we got to let reality catch up. We got to let time catch up. But we're going to get up there very, very soon. Yeah, trust me on that, guys. I got the CandleMafia behind me. We are getting up there. Let's see. Oh, DZ only buys 0.4 link in purchases. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Frankie, this has been some serious alpha. Palmetto Nick, I appreciate you. I appreciate the kind words, my man. I do it for you guys. I'm sorry if my energy is down. I don't know if it is or if I'm, a little sloppy today. I am kind of all over the place. I got a lot going on, but I'm here for you guys. I am definitely here for you guys. No, there is no slacking for the CandleMafia. You know, we get this done for you guys every single day. I don't care what I got to do. So here we go. Looking at Chainlink, guys. Oh, little trigger wave forming here on the daily. There you go. A little bullish divergence on the daily there. Confirmed. Looking, yeah, maybe this brings you back up to the top of this channel. You are coming up to some support, but maybe you can come back up there, possibly break out. Depending on what Bitcoin does, obviously, is going to be very dependent on that. But, yeah, this bullish divergence / little somewhat of a trigger wave there is not looking too bad. Coming down to the money fee. So your 15-minute is in the red like everything else. And your 4-hour VWAP's probably, yeah. It's looking the same as Bitcoin, to be honest. If you want some levels here, if we can pump, obviously you have this little trend line above you that would act as resistance. But if you can hop up, this next level of resistance is going to be about $8.47. So it would be a nice little pump from here if you could get to the back to the top of this channel. It'd be a nice 20% gain. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, this bullish divergence on the daily is looking pretty good. But obviously going to be dependent on what Bitcoin does. But there's some levels for you guys to watch. Let's see. Crypto Anon says, Frankie Candles, you on that candle juice every single day, Anon, every single day. Oh my God, Anon, I forgot to answer. Anon, I might forget today, but I did forget to answer you the other day. I will hit you back up. You even texted me and said, "Did you forget to answer me?" I did. I'm sorry. I have a lot going on. I will get back to you. I literally just realized this now. This was over the weekend. I literally just realized now. I'm like, oh my God, I never answered him. This is the life I live. Anyway, Frankie thinks his energy is down. Oh, I guess that, yeah, maybe that is laughable. I'm like screaming. 98 more likes, baby. Let's go. We're almost at 600, guys. We can do it. I know we can. Frankie, do you hold Chainlink? I did. I did hold a decent amount of Chainlink, but I also sold it all. I sold it all almost at the top, to be honest. That was one that I caught the top pretty close. I caught the top pretty closely on Chainlink. But I liked it. It worked great. Treated me well. I think Chainlink's a great project. I don't think it's going anywhere. In my own personal opinion. Link was a bull run downer for me. I was thinking 50 to 60 last year. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, what was the actual all-time high here? Yeah. 52. Yeah. I caught almost the top. I think I sold it like 50. Like perfect tweezer top right there. Boop, came right down. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe I didn't catch it that close to the top. I'm pretty sure I saw maybe 48. I sold like above 45. But guys, it's not like I knew. I just happened to sell and then it dumped. And then in hindsight, I was like, oh, I sold the top. I didn't know I was selling the top. I took my best guess, but there were a lot of things I did not sell the top. I'm not pretending like I can sell the top every time. Just want to be realistic here. My main account is still banned in chat. Flesk, I don't know why you got banned. Are you banned on my channel or Ben's channel? Because I don't know why you got banned here. It might have been an accident. You might have said something. I don't know. But you've never been a problem. I love having you in here. So we're working on getting the mods YouTube channel access, and once they get access, they'll be able to see who's banned, and they'll unban you. We are working on that. But yeah, I don't know why. Once we figure that out, we'll unban you, man. You're in here all the time. You're a great dude. Or a great girl. I don't know. I can't tell from your icon. But yeah, you're awesome. We'll unban you. Frankie, did BTC break the bear flag? Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, moving up a little bit. Bear flag. Where do you see a bear flag is my question. It's so hard to, like, people like, look at this, and then, like, I don't know what time frame. Playing golf while listening to the stream. Keep bringing the sauce. Daddy Zach, let's go. 4. I don't even know if they say that in golf, guys. I'll be honest with you. Not, as you guys know, not the biggest sports guy, but out of all the sports, golf is not my sport. Blanchard's bees. You're banned on Ben's channel? Why? I feel like you should be a mod on Ben's channel. I don't know. Very interesting. On the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, they say. On the 1 hour. Oh, I see. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing with this. I was actually talking to somebody. I think it might have been Tony. Might have been talking about Tony. I mean, I mean, sometimes you gotta call, you know, I saw somebody who was talking about, someone was talking about this in the office. Like, look at the bear flag. Could be a bear flag. But it's like, where is the fine line of an uptrend and a bear flag? Yeah, I guess this is what you're talking about. I don't know. I don't know if I'm really considering this a bear flag. It could be. I don't know if I'm considering it a bear flag. I think if we do come down more, I think we will stick this. If we come down more, I do think we'll stick this support here. But, can you please look at the inverted head and shoulders on the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, the line chart? Makes it more visible. 4-hour Bitcoin inverse? Okay. 4-hour. Hey, he wants the line chart. We'll give him the line chart. Inverse head and shoulders. Oh, baby. Yeah, like, maybe. I'm not the biggest head and shoulders guy, but yeah, maybe. I mean, maybe. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Could be. Could be. What's it look like on candles? Yeah, it's like 1. Is that your shoulder, or is this your shoulder? Or is this all your shoulder? Yeah, I don't know. I don't really trade head and shoulders. Not saying you can't trade head and shoulders. I'm sure a lot of people do, and they're very successful at it. I'm not the biggest. I look at patterns, but I don't really, you know, I don't really trade them that often. Maybe I'm leaving money on the table. I don't know. But yeah, it looks like it could be. It looks like it could be. You know, or maybe you haven't really formed your last shoulder yet. Maybe you'll come down a little bit. But yeah, it kind of looks like it could be forming. Let's see. We going to wait. Did you see the last video from CryptoFace? No, I have not seen CryptoFace's latest video. Could build out a larger right shoulder, then go up. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. You know, kind of just come out here, a bigger, whoop, and then you got 1, 2, 3, and then you're off to the races. Possibly. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at some of these altcoins. No right shoulder. Hey, TA Tim, what's going on, brother? Thank you for being in here. Is it the real TA Tim is the question. Shout out to you, man. I think I emailed you today. I did send you an email today. I don't know if I hit send or not. I think I did. But yeah, brother, if that's actually you, if you ever look into, you know, whatever you're talking about in that email, you can always reach out to me. I'm not really the guy, but you can always reach out to me. I'll help you out. I can get you in touch with people. Or if you're looking for me, that's the right guy to reach out to. Shout out to TA Tim, guys. Yeah, that's got to be him, right? Yeah, that's got to be. We're going to say it's him. What's up, man? Thank you for being here. I appreciate you watching. What's up? Yeah. Let's go. Wait, is Frankie Candles just an alter ego? Who knows? Who knows? I'm not telling you. All right, let's see. Thanks. Mixed signals on the charts. It is tough to stay ahead of the game. Yes, Ren E, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'm gonna get you on real soon. Absolutely. Yeah, guys, go follow Crypto Jeb, TA Tim. If you guys like TA, they do a great morning show where they do a lot of TA. Tim does great TA. I'm gonna say TA 10 more times. But yeah, TA Tim was on Debate Crypto with me during TA Thursdays. Oh my God, I gotta stop. Technical analysis, I'm gonna start calling it. But yeah, great time. Absolutely had a blast on Debate Crypto. A lot of smart people on there. And yeah, looking forward to it, Tim. I appreciate you for being here, man. XRP has been remarkably stable through everything. Yeah, well, I agree. But how about the Vasil hard fork being delayed, not really crushing the price of Cardano? That's impressive. That is impressive. So yeah, I was impressed by that. Now let's actually, speaking of XRP, let's go ahead and take a look, guys. Again, I don't want to put too much thought or you know, too much effort into these altcoin analysis. You know, especially in the market environment that we're in right now. Things are going to follow Bitcoin. Altcoins are going to bleed against Bitcoin. It's a bear market activities, right? So, yeah, so 4-hour money flow coming up towards that zero line, looking for a crossover, but it is fighting that VWAP. So, you know, typically you'll see sideways action with that. But coming down to the 15-minute, your money flow is not in the red yet. So, if you can get this 15-minute money flow to cross over into the red while you're printing that 4-hour green dot, maybe you can get a move to the downside. Now, for XRP, right now you have broken up into this box. You know, maybe you come down a little bit. I don't know if you're going to break this box, but let's take a look at the daily, kind of see what's happening. Yeah, very similar to Bitcoin. Bullish divergence on the daily. Couple green daily candles. I love, everybody gets so excited over these pumps. It's like people are like looking at it like this, are like, oh my God, it's a rip. And then like you zoom out and you're like, oh, boop. But yeah, kind of looking the same as Bitcoin on the daily. Looking at these higher time frames. Yeah, 4-hour money flow crossover would be nice and would support the case that we could get a little bit more of a pump if we see that bullish divergence on the daily play out for Bitcoin. You know, if we wind up getting a nice rally, this 4-hour money flow crossover would be nice confluence to see XRP make a nice move to the upside. Please, XRP, go up, please. It's all my XRP bag is crushed right now, but I'm holding it. I'm holding it to the end. I will never sell my XRP. I'm kidding. I will when it goes up, but I'm not selling it in the red. That's for dang sure. Let's see. Like I said, we need a Frankie Jeb speed TA video. Who can say the most TA in 90 seconds? Listen, guys, I know I talk fast, but I cannot talk as fast as Crypto Jeb. I'll say it right now. Crypto Jeb is the fastest talker I've ever heard. I think he can rap too. I might be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure I've seen a video of Jeb rapping really, really fast, like impressively fast. He's like crazy. I don't know if I'm making that up. Maybe if TA Tim is still in here, maybe he can confirm. Pretty sure Crypto Jeb is like the fastest rapper in the world. But yeah, Crypto Jeb's got bars. Yeah, Jeb can rap. Let's go. Come on, dump. I want to buy more. Yeah, Crypto Anon, I could not agree more. I hope we come down. I would love to scoop up these cheap prices. And I do think coming back over to Bitcoin, just to take another look, as I am going to start winding down here pretty soon, just because I got to finish this. I got to do this BitBoy Crypto video. And I do kind of want to give my voice a little bit of a rest. I've been scream talking all day on camera. And by Wednesday or what, I don't even know what day it is. What day is it? Please don't be Wednesday. Okay. By tomorrow or Thursday, I'm going to be coming on here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Okay. But yeah. So I might hop off in a little while here. But just to kind of take a look at the macro here, guys, I know there's lots of talk about where we're going to go, what prices we're going to hit. Now, we did this yesterday. We pulled up the 300-day moving average, or 300-week moving average, the 200-week moving average, and the 400-week moving average. So here they are, coming over the Bitstamp chart. Bada boom, coming down here. Bitcoin dumping a little bit. Let's see. ETH short contest. Showdown of TA. Both groups are good. Yeah, Donato Cabrera. That would be interesting. Yeah, I was going to buy his cores, but he talks so fast, I don't think I'd retain the information. or maybe you'd super absorb it. Let's see. Oh, God, please. Let's see. Jeb rapping. Tyler with the Jeb rapping. Can we play this? Yeah, we can play this, right? Let's do it. Can we do this live? Oh, I can't click the link. That's a scam. That's a scam. I can't click the link. Well, there you go, guys. Let's see. Let me open this chat back up. There you go, guys. There's the link if you guys want to watch Jeb rap after this. There you go. It's pretty entertaining. 15-minute, 4-hour strategy playing out. Let's see. Who said it? Alexander Stramiski. I hope I said that. Rug pull. Yeah, is that 15-minute, 4-hour playing out? It looks like it could be. Coming to the 15-minute. Actually, let's go to my real chart here so we can get some levels. Boom, baby. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Give me a long entry. Give me a long entry, baby. Yeah, here it is, guys. Here it is. Is there any way that we could clip things from the beginning of the stream and have them clipped, ready to replay on the same stream? That would be lit. I'm kidding. That's not a legitimate thing we need to do, but that would be funny. But in the beginning of the stream, I was saying it's very likely that we come down and test this level, if not, maybe even the spider line down here, based off of the 4-hour VWAP, crossed, printing that red dot, crossed over the 0 line with the 15-minute money flow crossover. It is looking like we could get that move right here on the VWAP crossover on the 15-minute. We could get that whip down. Yeah, there it goes, baby. Let's get Market Cipher A. There you go. Guys, the blood diamonds, guys. People, this is Market Cipher. Market Cipher, baby. Look at this. Look at this. If you were watching this closely and you're already looking at this 4-hour, 15-minute strategy expecting a dump, I understand that we're not dumping like crazy, but if you're expecting it to come down, based off the 4-hour, 15-minute strategy, right? And you're coming down, and you think it's coming down to test this area, and you're looking at look, blood diamond on your 5-minute, blood diamond on your 6-minute, no blood diamond on your 7-minute, but you're looking at the 1-minute. Even on the 1-minute, the blood diamonds are pretty reliable, as well as the yellow X's. But you know, you're looking, and then let's see what price is doing. You go down to the 1-minute, you get that blood diamond. You start to feel pretty decent about coming down and testing this level. Are we going to come down and touch it? We'll see. Hopefully it happens during the stream. We are under the main channel in the uptrend now. Ooh, because the Fed is, I was playing Crypto Jeb C2TA learning course at 0.05 to absorb what he said. You got to slow it down. Guys, I am a big 2x speed watcher on YouTube. I do not watch YouTube videos. I don't care what it is. Anything other than music is played in 2x speed. I cannot watch YouTube videos in regular speed. Maybe that's why I talk. I think I talk fast because I'm from New York, honestly. But maybe listening to YouTube in 2x speed kind of eventually like just gets in your brain and makes you talk really fast. The yellow X means manipulation, usually to the downside. I do think that it could mean manipulation in general, but I think, but I've only seen it to the downside, to be 100% honest. So it does mean manipulation is what it means. But typically, when you see these yellow X's, you know, especially on longer time frames, when you see, yeah, baby, look at this. Yeah, when you see a yellow X, typically you get a big dump, right? Yellow X dump, yellow X dump. Yeah, so typically when you see these, they play out. Yeah, yellow X dump, yellow X dump, yellow X dump. These are reliable, guys. Yellow X dump. This is the 1-hour chart. Blood diamond dump. Very reliable, guys. Now, I don't recommend trading just based off of these signals. Granted, if you just shorted all those yellow X's that I just pointed out, it would have worked out. But I don't recommend that, right? You want to see confluence and you want to have multiple confirmations. You don't want to just trade based off of these, but they are very reliable, right? As you can see, dump, yellow X dump, yellow X dump. This one didn't play out, right? They don't play out 100% of the time. This one didn't really play out, but kind of foreshadowed. Yellow X dump, yellow X dump. Absolutely, blood diamond dump, yellow X dump. You could do this all day. I mean, they are very, very reliable. Blood diamond, absolutely poured. Blood diamond poured. Blood diamond dumped. And then this one didn't play out too much. This one kind of played out. But a lot of times, yellow X dump, blood diamond dump. These two kind of were foreshadowing this one. And then obviously yellow X is all the way down that dump. So very reliable. But again, you don't want to just trade based off of that. Let's see. I don't want to brag, but I watch Jeb back in 2X. It's my special skill on my resume. Tim, that is out of control. Out of control. Listen, I am an avid 2X speed watcher on YouTube. I don't know if I'd be able to understand Jeb in 2X speed. So you may be you might be the only person with that on your resume, to be 100% honest, man. That's an elite club to be in. Shout out to TA Tim. Let's see. Got a target price to buy my first Bitcoin at 14K, so I'll pray every day and night for some lower lows. Let's go. Connor Jenkins, I hope you get it. Matthew Barnes says, bing bong. What's up, Matt? Let's see. Did he say blood diamond just popped up? It was on the 1 minute, Blanchard, so nothing too crazy. It's just kind of supporting that. Oh, baby, a nice 22 on the bottom of this 1 minute candle. Nice little 23 on this one. Might get a little bounce here. But yeah, blood diamond on the 1 minute just dumped us down a little bit. Nice. I hope I'm not missing my long entry right now. Could be, guys. Am I going to miss my entry? I'd be so sad. But that's why, you want to zoom out, right? That was the 1 minute. 16 on the DBSI on the 2 hour, indicating that we could potentially continue down. I'm pretty confident that we could come down and touch either this level or this level, this spider line here at about 2,150. Let's see. I guess it's time to just DCA more on the dips. Hey, let's go. Summer solstices today. Ooh, interesting. Def did not buy 3,000 XRP 5 minutes ago. I believe you, Tony. I believe you. Stop buying XRP, Tony. Go to the 1 second chart. Plot twist. I actually don't think I can get I don't think I have. I don't know. Maybe I do have them. I don't know if I have the highest level of. I don't know if I have the highest level of trading view. I thought I did, but I actually think I might have gotten the second biggest one. Yeah, guys, did you just see how long it took me to find the, jeez. Yeah, I don't think I have the 1 second chart, do I? No, I don't. But yeah, maybe we'll get another copy, or maybe we'll just upgrade. Yeah, here we go, guys. Yeah, looking for a pump to this white box. But yeah, guys, yeah, looking at this, hopefully we can get down there. Looking for those longs. Again, before we sign out, I do have to get going on this video for Ben. Yeah, 15 on the 30 minute. Yeah, get it down there. Let's kiss this level, right? 30 minute money flow crossover to the red, looking like it wants to happen. Come on, baby. You could do it. You could do it. Is that 8 hour? Ooh, yeah, nope. Okay. But yeah, guys, kind of just to point out some, the levels I'm watching, again, just for anybody who is just tuning in now. Support, I'm looking for price to possibly and hopefully come down to here, if not this spider line, before looking for some entries to get into a long position to possibly ride up to this spider line, flip it to support, and possibly start testing the top of this box. Hopefully we can get there. Nice little... let's see, what's this run up from here to here? About, we'll call it 10%. And then, oh, come on with this. 10%. 5%. Yeah, this would be a nice little 50% correction just on this local move here. It would be a healthy correction to get a nice bounce off of this area, in my opinion. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. I will keep you guys updated in the Discord here. How does Frankie not have premium trading view, Freddie? I do have the premium, but I don't have like the top. I guess I don't have the. I thought I got the best one, but I guess I have the second best one. I have everything else. I just can't look at the 1 second chart, which kind of stinks. But just the fact that I just realized that makes me kind of want to just go buy it. 24-minute crossover into the red. Yeah, interesting. Gonna keep an eye on this for you guys. Let's see. Can't drag those ones. Yeah, guys, with all that being said, we still got 477 people in here, guys. 40 more likes to get to 600. I'd really appreciate it if we can get up there. I think we can. But going to have to go do this BitBoy crypto video, so I'm going to cut this a little bit short. I've been talking basically all day. I want to give the voice a little bit of a rest, but I think we covered the important stuff. I think I gave you guys some good sauce here, gave you the levels. I will update you in the Discord. Yeah, maybe I'll let you guys know if I enter a trade. I sometimes don't like to do it right away because I know people are just going to rush to Femex and get into the same trade, and I don't think that's a good idea. You know, maybe I will. I don't know. But if I do get into a trade or see anything develop over this time, if we come down and test these levels, I will update you guys in the Discord and let you know what I'm looking at. But with all that being said, guys, 25 more likes to 600. Let's go ahead and spin that dang wheel. Where's our wheel at? Get us our wheel. Bada boom. Here we go. Oh, volcanic Hawaiian water, guys. Shout out to our sponsors at Hawaiian Volcanic Water LLC. So, that's weird. This volcanic water has taurine in it. What's taurine? Anyway, let's see. Let's get our wheel up here. Bada bing, bada boom. Get rid of this ad. Come on. All right, here we go. 580 likes, guys. So close to 600. So close. Screen. I see you. There you go. Bada boom, baby. Hit the like, spin it, baby. Frankie, you're a beast, my man. Keep killing it, bro. Hey, PandaCore, I appreciate you, and I love you, and I can't wait to see you in here tomorrow. Frankie, you're a champ. 3 shows and the nightly. Go. Crypto Crabman, let's get it. Frankie, you killed it today, brother. You're a machine, my friend. I love you, Palmetto Nick. Bada boom. Get 600 likes, baby. Let's get it. I'll give you guys 8 spins for 600 likes. Spin number 1. It's got to happen before we're done spinning, though. Come on, baby. Spin number 1. Give him a giveaway. Let's start it off strong, baby. Let's go. You know what? I don't, I got my money. I put it on the desk ready for the stream, and then somebody took it. All right, spin number 2. We already got a giveaway going. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go. Give him a giveaway. Give him a number. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. Oh, funny hat. Okay. We will. I have like 11 funny hats, guys. I will wear the fedora probably. I like the fedora or the hamburger hat. We will wear it. Spin number 3. 599 likes. Let's go. Spin number 3. 600 likes. Let's go. Deep fake. Tony, Tyler, somebody, can you remind me to put the deep fakes in the Discord? I'm putting the deep, hang on. That was spin number 3. Here's spin number 4. You guys are getting 8 spins. I'm going to do spin number 4, then put the deep fakes in the Discord, and then we're going to spin again. All right, so we're halfway through with the spins. I'm doing it right now, guys. We gotta get this done here. Okay, here we go. Going to downloads. I think that's where they are. Reface. That's it. Come on, baby. All right, I am putting these all in. Oh no, Discord's not gonna let me. Discord is not, okay, what's going on here, Discord? Let me move you, please. What is going on? Yeah, it's not gonna let me send them because they're gonna be too big. Oh wait, no, they're not too big? What the heck? All right, here we go. I'm gonna at everyone. Boom, boom. Oh, there you go. All right. I put one of the deep fakes in the announcement section of the Discord. You guys can go ahead and enjoy that. And then we'll maybe put another one in tomorrow. But let's do these last 4 spins. Here we go. 605 likes. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. It's why we do all these giveaways. Because, yeah, baby. Giveaway number 2. Let's get it. Shout out to you guys getting these free NFTs. Bada boom. Spin number 6. Sorry. Spin number 6. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, so close to the crickets. Funny hat. I'm just going to start. I'm going to order like 500 funny hats and just wear a funny hat all the time. I'm just so much of a fan of this Frankie Candles hat that I just want to keep it. I just want to keep wearing it. Giveaway. Ugh, eat crickets. I lost track, so you guys are getting 3 spins. I'll give you 3 more because I don't know if that was 7 or 6. Oh, come on, baby. Let's go. Oh, let's go. We'll give 2 more. 2 more, baby. Come on. Big money. Big money. Change deep fake to feet cake. Oh, interesting. Oh, there's another deep fake. All right, here we go. I'm just going to unload them as we win them here. There you go. Oh, no, I think these are the same. Giveaway, baby! Let's go. 1 more for good luck, because I completely lost count, but let's get it. Are these the same? I don't know. I don't want to get... Oh, that was sketchy. I think it tried to rug pull you, but not today, guys. Another giveaway. Let's go. Shout out to you guys. You guys got a bunch of giveaways there. Frankie Candles, a huge perk to server boosters is people can upload up to... That's why. Let's go, guys. Making big leaps in the Discord here. I don't know if those are the same deep fakes. If they are, I'll fix them right after we get off the stream. But with all that being said, guys, I appreciate every single one of you that tuned in. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. And I'm talking to you. Every single person watching the stream right now. I appreciate all of you so much. Thank you for tuning in on this long day. Bear with me, guys. I think the pre-recorded videos on the channel may be a little delayed this week because I simply don't have time to record them. I'm gonna try as hard as I can to record one tomorrow or on Thursday, I actually think. I'm gonna try my hardest to record them, but between Ben's live streams, ATV, the 9 p.m., and the live stream, I'm just trying to make time. So just bear with me. We'll be right back to our regular schedule next week, but I will. You could take this to the bank. I will try to get these pre-recorded videos out for you guys, and I will kill myself to get it done for the Mafia. But with all that being said, guys, thank you all for tuning in to tonight's stream. I hope you guys learned something. Please, for the love of God, use good risk management. And I will use good risk management, use a stop loss, and don't use 100x leverage. With all that being said, I will give you guys an update in the Discord tonight. You all have a wonderful night. And go check out that 9 p.m. because it's all your boy, Frankie Candles. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same place, same time. Well, I'll see you tomorrow morning on the morning BitBoy Crypto stream. I love each and every single one of you. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing, bong. Oh my God, he's back. Guys, Debate Crypto is live right now. I know you guys like the encores. I know you guys like the after credit input here. Guys, go watch Debate Crypto. They are live right now. Miguel was on, or Blockchain Crusader was on ATB tonight. He did a really good job. Shout out to him. Shout out to Keeper. Shout out to Debate Crypto. Guys, they're live. They're covering fundamentals. They're covering news. Go show them some love. Let them know that Frankie Candles sent you. Give them that bing bong love. And speaking of that, that's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.